Imagine this, the aroma of freshly baked pizza filling your kitchen, the cheese stretching with every bite, and that perfectly crispy crust, all made by you at home. Sounds amazing, right? Today, we're going to take you step by step through making pizza from scratch, dough, sauce, toppings, everything. By the end of this video, you'll be your own pizza chef. Let's dive in. 1. Ingredients. First, let's check what you need. Don't worry, most of these are basic pantry staples. For the dough, you'll need 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup warm water, 1 packet of yeast, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. For the toppings, it's your choice. Here's a classic combo: tomato-based pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, mushrooms, bell peppers, onions or olives, fresh herbs like basil or oregano for that final pop of flavor. Pro tip, don't overload your pizza with toppings, or the crust won't get crispy. 2. Making the dough. Now, the heart of any pizza, the dough. Step 1. In a small bowl, combine warm water, sugar, and yeast. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until it gets frothy. This is your yeast waking up, kind of like your pizza's little engine. Step 2. In a large bowl, mix your flour and salt. Slowly pour in the yeast mixture and add olive oil. Step 3. Knead the dough. Yes, it takes a little muscle, but it's worth it. Knead for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Step 4. Place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it with a cloth, and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours. The dough will double in size. Patience is key. This is where the magic happens. 3. Making the sauce. While your dough is rising, let's make a simple pizza sauce. You can also use store-bought sauce, but homemade is extra special. Ingredients: 1 cup canned tomatoes, 1 teaspoon olive oil, 1 clove garlic, minced, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, fresh or dried oregano. Step 1. Heat olive oil in a pan. Sauté garlic until fragrant. Step 2. Add tomatoes, salt, sugar, and oregano. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes until slightly thickened. Step 3. Blend for a smooth sauce. And that's it. Homemade sauce ready to go. 4. Shaping the dough. Once your dough has risen, punch it down to release air. Flour your surface and roll it out into your desired shape: circle, rectangle, whatever feels right. Tip: keep it around 1/4 inch thick for the perfect balance of soft inside and crispy outside. Place it on a baking sheet or pizza stone. And now, the fun part begins: toppings. 5. Topping your pizza. Spread your sauce evenly over the dough, leaving a little edge for the crust. Sprinkle cheese generously. Then, add your favorite toppings. Don't be afraid to get creative. A few classic combos: pepperoni plus mozzarella, mushrooms plus bell peppers plus onions, pineapple plus ham if you're adventurous. Finish with a drizzle of olive oil or some fresh herbs. 6. Baking the pizza. Preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake your pizza for 12 to 15 minutes until the crust is golden and the cheese is bubbling. Pro tip: if you have a pizza stone, use it. It makes the crust extra crispy. Keep an eye on it. Every oven is a little different. And here's a little trick: halfway through baking, rotate the pizza for even cooking. 7. Serving and enjoying. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. Slice your pizza and watch that cheese stretch. Add fresh basil or oregano on top for flavor and color. Take a bite, and congratulations! You just made pizza at home from scratch. Share it with friends, family, or enjoy it all by yourself. Remember, making pizza is about creativity and fun. Every pizza is a little different, just like you. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and comment below with your favorite pizza toppings. Until next time, happy baking!